This is the new video titled Adding Nagios Hosts. In the previous video, we added Nagios users. In this video, we will configure additional hosts to be monitored by Nagios by creating additional host entry. Monitoring the local system is different than monitoring remote systems. A big part of this is that while monitoring your local system, you have full access to information regarding number of processes, amount of memory, CPU usage, and so on. When you're looking at remote systems, you're limited to accessing remotely accessible information like if a remote port is listening, ping ability, and so on. If you require the ability to collect more in-depth information, you'll need to configure something to make the additional information available. Cool. Now after the brief introduction, now we'll see how to do it. You can configure additional hosts to be monitored by Nagios by creating additional host entry in .cfg file with etc nagios3 config.d. The content should be as highlighted here. While multiple machines may be defined within the same .cfg file, separate files per machine may make more sense for future manageability. You can also choose to put the files within a subdirectory of config.d that Nagios will automatically detect. I like to put my hosts into etc nagios3 config.d hosts. Awesome. Now we'll see in depth about its working. The host definition works using generic hosts as a template for the host and then overriding values from the template as needed. These templates work by just existing as a defined host, but with a register set of 0 so that Nagios does not attempt to monitor them directly. Next, we define a host name for the host. This setting is used in a variety of ways, including acting as a unique identifier for the host within Nagios configurations, as the name displayed within Nagios, and as the host name to attempt to collect data from. Finally, we have an optional host groups definition, which defines some groups which the machine is a member of for easier service configuration. If desired, we can also add the host to a host group through the host group definition itself. You'll want to consider what makes more sense for longer-term manageability. Fantastic! In this video, we added Nagios hosts. In our next video, we'll be monitoring services.